southeastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, northeastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Buck County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 10:30 a.m. At 9:41 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Hopewell to Magnolia, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Toms River, Trenton, New Brunswick, Crook Amboy, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, Lakewood, Cherry Hill, Middletown, Old Bridge, Bensalem, Jackson, Howell, East Brunswick, Evesham, South Brunswick, Sayreville, and Mount Laurel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This severe thunderstorm may contain little or no lightning. Do not wait until you hear thunder before taking cover. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Middlesex.